Hi, this is Tara. I'm here with my teammates Yvonne and Shilpa. Our model focuses on optimizing tour guide scheduling. The Office of Enrollment at Emory University holds tours 6 out of 7 days of the week. Currently, tour guides manually sign up for tours on the website welcometocollege.com. However, the amount of tours signed up for and tour guides scheduled for each event is often less than required. There is currently no optimization tool to automatically assign tour guides to events. The purpose of our model is to automatically optimize the tour schedule. Tour guides fill in their availabilities for touring events on a website, Doodle. Our model uses tour guide data from Doodle to make sure that touring events and tour guides are meeting specific requirements. Lastly, our model automatically assigns tour guides to events to create the fairest and most optimal schedule for all. Now that all of the tour guides have filled in their availabilities, click on the class schedule. Now click on the drop-down menu and click Export to Excel. Now that you have your Doodle Excel sheet open, copy the data on the Excel sheet. Next, refer to the Optimization Excel sheet. Now that you're on the Tour Schedule Optimization Excel sheet, paste your data.
Once you've pasted your data, you're going to go to the Change My Constraints tab. You can see step 1 says that you should change the required number of tours that each tour guide must indicate they're available for. This essentially is just if your school has a personalized rule where you mandate that tour guides present a certain amount of availability. We've set it at 5, but you can change that just by clicking Change Tour Sign-up Requirement. And for example, Emory's sign-up requirement is 4, so we're going to put in 4, enter, and that changes all of the requirement. If your tour guide has not signed up for enough data, it will highlight next to their name in column E. However, you have to wait to complete step 3 for that to happen. In step 2, you want to change how many tour guides you need for each event to customize it to your own needs. So for example, we have it defaulted to 2, but if you needed 3, you could put in 3. And on the scheduling model, it will change for each event however many tour guides you need to have at least that many tour guides at that event. Now to use the model, you need to go to step 3 and click Organize Data. This will organize all of the data that you've downloaded from Doodle. Now, if you go back to your tour fulfillment area right here, you can check to see if your tour guides signed up for enough time slots. And it looks like they did, because everyone has signed up for at least 4 time slots. However, if you wanted to change your sign-up requirement to, let's say, back to 5, you can see that 3 different people did not sign up for enough time slots. So this is a really handy tool if you need to see, first of all, if everyone has signed up for enough slots before proceeding to scheduling. Once you've finished all of this, you can go to the scheduling model simply by clicking Take Me to the Scheduling Model.
So once you're at the scheduling model, scroll to the left and you'll see to get your optimal schedule, follow the following steps. First, click on the Data tab in your Excel ribbon. And then under the area where you see OpenSolver, just simply click Solve. And the OpenSolver will run and you'll find the optimal solution. So now, click the button below to get your optimized schedule. Here is your final schedule. You'll see which student will be working on each shift and each event. If you go back to your scheduling model, since our objective was to find the fairest schedule, you can see that OpenSolver has found a solution which every student was assigned for 3 shifts. And even if not all students were assigned to the same amount of shifts, with our model, it is guaranteed that it will provide the fairest schedule.